Finding the perfect earbud replacement.
Hello there. We've all experienced the frustration of losing an earbud, haven't we? Today, we're going to explore where and how you can buy a replacement earbud for the one you've unfortunately lost.
Identify your earbud model.
The first thing you need to do is identify the model of your earbud. This will ensure that you're searching for the right type of replacement. Look for any markings or labels on the remaining earbud or on the charging case if you have it. It's also helpful to check the product's box or receipt if available.
Check the manufacturer's website.
Once you've identified the model, your first stop should be the manufacturer's website. Many earbud manufacturers sell replacement earbuds for their models, so it's always a good idea to check there first.
Look at major retailers.
If you don't find a replacement on the manufacturer's website, the next step is to check major electronics retailers. Some retailers may sell individual replacement earbuds. Be sure to specify your earbud model to ensure a correct match.
Try second-hand marketplaces.
As another option, consider second-hand marketplaces. Platforms like eBay often have individual earbuds for sale, especially for popular models. Just be sure to confirm that the earbud is in good working condition before purchasing.
Customer service inquiry.
If you're unable to find a replacement earbud through the previous channels, consider reaching out to customer service. Some companies may be able to provide you with a replacement, even if they don't publicly list it for sale. Losing an earbud is a bummer, but with a bit of sleuthing, you should be able to find a suitable replacement. Be sure to check the manufacturer's website, major electronics retailers, second-hand marketplaces, and contact customer service if needed. Happy listening and good luck on your search.